In this video of There to Here Travels, we're going to show you where we stayed during Thanksgiving in 2022. We booked a week at the Grande Villa Resort in Orlando. Come along with us as we show you our 2-bedroom villa. When you first walk in, on the right-hand side is a coat closet that even includes a vacuum. Not that I want to be vacuuming on my vacation, but I don't want to be stepping on food crumbs either. So that was nice. Continuing on, the kitchen is on the right and once again has more storage space with this huge pantry. I don't think we've ever stayed at a resort with a pantry as large as this one. Okay, moving on into the kitchen. As I mentioned before, this was Thanksgiving week, so we did a whole Thanksgiving dinner. I mean, turkey and the works. So we needed a fully equipped kitchen, which it did not disappoint. It had everything we needed for the week. Okay, moving on to the dining space. It was very large, nice glass table, seated 6, and was a great place for our dinner and board games. I also want to take a moment before moving on to show you that they have a stackable washer and dryer. On our way back to the living room, you can take a peek at my decoration I brought. Had to get festive for Thanksgiving. Okay. Living space was very nice, very comfortable, and off to the right was a screened-in porch that was decent sized. It had a table that seated 4, ceiling light, and fan. I forgot to take pictures during daylight though, so sorry about that. It was a nice spot. Moving on to the main bedroom. King-size bed, very comfy, and I was worried that there wasn't enough drawers, but when you open that cabinet, it actually has 3 more drawers inside, plus the closet space, plenty of room for all of our stuff, and there's the bedding for the pull-out couch back in the living room. Into the main bathroom, more storage with a whole linen closet and a big giant garden tub. It also has a separate room for the shower, toilet, and an additional sink to wash your hands in there. So whole nother room for bathroom things. Plenty of space for everybody to do what they had to do. All right, and also want to point out that there is an additional sliding door to the balcony from the main bedroom. Moving on to the secondary bedroom, 2 twin beds. No, they don't come with squishmallows. That's my kids. They already brought their stuff in before I started filming. Nice size dresser for them, as well as another large closet. Plenty of storage at this place. There also was, right across from their door, another bathroom. Secondary bathroom had a full-size tub and shower. This was a very spacious place. If you're getting away with the whole family, the 2-bedroom was perfect for us. It's right near SeaWorld. This is actually where we spent Thanksgiving Day. We did our turkey and everything a few days earlier. During our stay, we also jumped on a bus and head over to City Walk in Universal and went to the Hard Rock to watch a live performance hosted by Hilton Grand Vacations. They invited us, as long as we agreed, to sit down for a 1-hour presentation. So if you do stay here, they will likely try and convince you to give them an hour or 2 of your time, and usually they will offer you some sort of deal. You can always say no, or you can accept the gift and show up and either buy into Hilton Grand Vacations or politely tell them no thank you and just enjoy the gift that they offered you. No trip to Florida would be complete without making a pit stop at Buc-ee's. Check out some of our videos if you have never seen what a Buc-ee's is. Thanks for watching There to Here Travels. If you liked this video, click that thumbs up below. Make sure to subscribe, and if you want to get notified every time we post something new, click that notification bell.